Oh, I found him again. All right, let's go. Hello everyone, it is I, Slim Two Wheel. Thinking of doing, oh, I did not time that jump right. Think I'm gonna do a moto vlog today because it's gonna be short and sweet. And I'm just out cruising. Yeah. See the little, oh my god, I thought that was a cop behind me. I should probably behave. It's not a cop, right? No. That would have been terrible because I did a little drifty drift. Speaking of drifting, I had a drifting event on the weekend here with the Mustang. That was a lot of fun. Trying to get as much seat time as I can in. I might post some content depending on how much I film when I go to these events. I'd like to get some more mounts on the Mustang and stuff so I can get some different angles. But yeah, I'm thinking of maybe posting some drifting content as well on the YouTube. Let me know if you guys would like that or not. So I added these tank grips, but I think I added them, well, actually that kind of feels good there. I think I should have put them more up because I don't really feel them when I'm like, when I slide up. I don't feel it at all. I mean, it does like, yeah, I should have maybe moved them. But I got tank grips because this tank is really slippery. And it's not like other tanks where it's like a smooth transition. It's literally just a wall right in front of my, you know, my stuff. And yeah, it's not fun when you're practicing wheelies or if you're just coming to a stop like this and I'm ramming my shit into it. Yeah, I'm just doing a little bit of riding around, so I thought I'd do a moto vlog. It's my first one for the channel. I gotta go to a chiropractor here in a bit, so if I hear my alarm go off, well, yeah, then I gotta go. It's always weird, like I always shut off my GoPro sometimes and then something will happen. And I remember this one time I faked shut it off. I like went and like acted like I shut it off, and then yeah, literally not even a minute later I got one of the coolest clips, well, one of the coolest clips I guess I have on my channel. It's the one where we did the curve and I went to go like drag my hand, and as I was dragging my hand out of nowhere was a pack of cigarettes. A pack of cigarettes was you wasn't paying attention, so I had the red bomb. But yeah, there's a pack of cigarettes on the ground, and I was literally like that close to grabbing it, like so close to grabbing it. I don't know. It would have been even cooler if I did grab it, but I didn't pay attention. I was so focused on the lean and like dragging my hand, and then I just see out of nowhere this pack of cigarettes come by. I thought it was pretty funny and cool. Happened, so best case always coming. All right, we might get into some menace shit. We might get into some menace shit. I have a buddy. Let's go, bro. He's got the full stun cage on it, look like. Oh, maybe not. Woo! Fuck yeah, dude. Oh, full stock. Oh, we might be a bit of a menace. Oh, you turning? Holy crap! Carnage! You are a beast! absolute beast. Let's see if we can find that guy now. I just had to get that out of my system, man. It's been a while since I've just, you know, ripped. I don't know where that guy went. I don't know if he went to go play ball or went to go get food. Well, because I wanted to go fast, I lost to my buddy. He went and followed me. I don't know why I didn't follow him. My bad, bro. I've never seen that bike before, so I'm actually curious if he's a local or if he was just doing some errands in town. I don't know, man. I mean, I get out enough to know if there's a new bike in town or not. I'm just gonna double check he's on the back here, but I don't think he is. We got this big old cruiser. Big old cruiser chilling here. Yeah, he's not hiding from me. Alright, well, it's official. I lost him. I absolutely lost him because I thought we were going fast. This moto vlog turned into making a friend and losing a friend. Oh.
You're looking for your buddy?
Yeah, where'd he go?
He took off that way and he turned around and went back.
Yeah, I thought he wanted to go race.
He didn't want to.
No, I guess not. Stay safe, man.
Okay,
He knew what was up. Alright, well, I should probably go to my appointment. And then I'll catch you guys back when I'm done. And we'll do some more cruising, maybe find our new buddy. Yeah, feeling nice after the chiropractor. Now I'm gonna mess it all up riding this bike because it is not comfortable at all. Oh, I can't wait for the new exhaust. I just can't wait. It's gonna be way more way more and then more you know what I'm talking about. Oh, I found him again. Alright, let's go. Hold up.
what's going on, bro? Hold on, I got my music going.
Yeah, all good.
What's going on?
Fuck yeah, dude. Sick ride.
Thank you.
As soon as I saw it, dude. As soon as I saw it, I'm like, that's fucking sick.
Yeah?
Yeah, man.
How's that? Is that a cargo kind of thing?
Yeah, it's cheaper. It's like 90 bucks.
Oh, okay.
It works pretty good. It needs new speakers though,
Okay.
but it's not too bad.
Okay.
Fuck yeah.
My AirPods.
Yeah, AirPods works too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It was not bad. So you from here?
Yeah, I am.
Really?
Yeah.
What's your name?
Owen? Oh, okay, fuck yeah, dude. Yeah, I was like, I saw you go by. I'm like, I've never seen that bike in town before.
Yeah, I know.
And then I thought we were gonna go race.
I know. I kind of wanted to. I had to pee so bad when I saw you at first, though.
Yeah.
It's like I gotta go through.
Yeah. Yeah.
Exact same bike. I kind of
Yep.
thought it was.
Yeah.
Yeah, I kind of thought so.
I'm stunting it all out though. It's gonna be my stunt bike. That's why it's all rough looking.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
Cool. I
Yeah.
really like your. What did you do with your tail?
Just take it completely off.
Yeah.
Yeah, completely off, and then the old guy had holes already, but you can just drill holes into your back here,
Okay.
and then you just get some off Amazon. They just screw in.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool. Man.
Yeah. Oh, it's crazy meeting you, man.
Yeah, bro. It's nice to meet you, dog.
Yeah. Fuck.
See you out sometime.
Yeah, you're just cruising around.
Yeah, I'm going home right now.
Oh, okay. Well, fuck yeah, dude. Well, nice meeting you, man. We'll have to go out and ride some more.
Yes, sir.
Owen, what up, dog? That was so sick. Alright, I'm actually gonna check tires. That's crazy, I ran into him again. Small town, man. Small town. But like I said, I've never seen him before. Never seen him before. I wonder if this giant jump is still here. I think they got rid of it. I thought it was right here, wasn't it? Yeah, I think they got rid of it. There used to be a giant jump right here. And on lunch break, I take my buddies in my beat up old minivan. And I would jump it off of it, and literally I would look at my mirror and see these guys, my buddies, I would see my buddies like floating in the back seat because I got so much air. That thing took such a beating. I was such a dumb kid. So what's with all these orange darts, man? I know like that's one, and out of like probably 6 I know in town. I'm not even joking. Look, there's another one just down the road here that we can go see. There's the other orange dart right there. Like, what's with the orange? I swear, like, I didn't even know darts were sold at orange. That's such a stupid color. No offense to anyone who likes orange. Orange is such a stupid car color, man. Oh my, is that another one? I'm not even making that up. I don't even know about that one. That looks like another orange dart, man. What is with them? They're taking over. That is so crazy. Again, that's a new one. The list just keeps getting longer. Like, how many orange darts are they selling right now? Like, honestly, man, I've never seen so many cars that were the same. Rivet! Yeah, okay, fine. Redlining on this bike is gonna be so mean once I get that exhaust put on, because I'm going from, oh, I already have an aftermarket exhaust. It's the Yoshi, and but I'm going from like, I don't know, a 2.5 foot, no, not even, probably like 2 feet at most, no, 1.5 foot at most. Basically, I'm going from a pipe that's like this big to a pipe that's like this big. And is, yeah, so, I'm probably gonna be shooting flames and stuff. I already can shoot flames, but I'm gonna shoot more flames. Honestly, with this exhaust though, it doesn't, like, it's just like, maybe it's because I haven't tuned this bike, or at least I haven't. The owner before me might have, but I haven't tuned it. I think if I get a tune on this bike as well, and a new exhaust, I'll start to get the burps, or whatever you call them. Purples, whatever, man. I just make the noise. You know, the I like that noise, but like louder. Oh my god, it's a fox! Where the hell did he come from? He's a fox, boys. Look at him. He's looking at me. I'm looking at him. Respect. See you later, brother.